my most respected, worshipable, and the best Prime Minister so far, elected by Indian public, most respected Shri Shri Narendra Modi ji. My Sadar Charan Sparsh and Pranam to you. And salute to your highly dedicated efforts and achievements for my country, and especially the poor people. But still, with all due regard and with all humbleness, I would say that more than 50 crore of persons, of Indians, those are poor and have invested their life savings in the companies where they had trust, but those companies have been found to be most fraudulent, cheatful, forged, and full of unethical activities. Those are the Sahara group of companies, Alchemist group of companies, Prism group of companies, Anandnidhi group of companies, PICL group of companies, and so many others. For their poor investors, I am fighting since last many years. My only aim to ensure justice for poor investors who have invested their life savings and are fighting even for their bread and butter, for survival of their life. Their hard-earned money have been blocked and duped by these fraudulent companies and their directors. The chairman of the chairman of Alchemist Group, Mr. KD Singh, who had been a Rajya Sabha Sadasya member for 5 years from 2013 to 2018 from Trinamool Congress, have duped more than 1 lakh crore of 1 crore poor investors. Similarly, Subrat Roy Sahara, who have duped more than 5 lakh crore money of more than 10 crore investors. And for other companies, I have sent you more than 10 detailed petitions along with all evidence. I have sent you my video explaining all the things in detail against all these frauds, cheats of India who must have been in the jail for life, and their directors, but they are freely enjoying their life at the cost of more than 50 crore Indians who have lost every pleasure of their life. Thousands of them have committed suicide. Thousands of them have died due to want of medical treatment. And thousands and lakhs of them have decided to commit suicide if things are not improved in their favor and if justice is not given by your government and by the concerned officers and the court. I am here to, in this video, my main aim is to invite your attention on Supreme Court findings, very important findings on the case of P. Chidambaram, the ex-finance minister and the leader of the Congress party, against whom your government exposed his fraud, and there was absolutely one line program to send him to jail, and he was sent to jail. I have no objection to that, but I must say that the case of P. Chidambaram was hardly indirectly, there was the involvement of 300 crores indirectly. The P. Chidambaram has not duped it, but his son Kirti Chidambaram certainly had duped more than 2 crore rupees, 2.5 crore rupees, hardly. So, as compared to 2.5 crore, the case of KD Singh, Chairman Alchemist, the case of Subrat Rai Sahara, and the cases of other fraudulent top persons of the, rather top blots and the top criminals of the country, namely KD Singh and Sahara, it certainly should be placed at a very, very larger and very higher place as compared to Mr. P. Chidambaram. These people, Mr. KD Singh and Subrat Rai Sahara, have committed 1,000 times, 1 lakh times serious crime as compared to Mr. P. Chidambaram, so far as finances are concerned. I wish to invite your attention on para 69 and 70 of the Honorable Supreme Court decision rendered on 30/9/2019 in the matter of P. Chidambaram by Honorable Supreme Court, and I strongly believe that decision is binding on your government and on you as well, my respected Prime Minister. The para says it cannot be disputed that if case is proved against petitioner, the offence is on the society, economy, financial stability and integrity of the country. The economic offences constitute a class apart and a class by itself, and it cuts the very root of probity and purity of public administration and results in eroding the public confidence, and it reposes on the government elected by public. Next para 70. It is fact that the entire community is aggrieved if the economic offenders who ruin the economy of the state are not brought to the book, as such offences affect the very fabric of democratic governance and probity in public life. The important point, kindly pay attention. A murder may be committed in the heat of the moment, upon being aroused. However, an economic offence is committed with cool calculation and deliberate design, with an eye on personal profit, regardless of the consequences to the community. A disregard for the interest of the community can be manifested only at the cost of forfeiting the trust and faith of the community in the system. To administer justice in an even-handed manner without fear of criticism from the quarter which view white-collar crime with a permissive eye, unmindful of the damage done to the national economy and the national interest. As observed by Honorable Supreme Court in the state of Gujarat versus Mohanlal Jitamal Porwal, this Honorable Supreme Court has said. In the further next para, it says that this court cannot dispute the fact that petitioner had been a strong finance minister, home minister, presently member of parliament. He is a respectable member of the bar. He has been long standing in the bar as a senior advocate. He has deep root in the society, which may have some connection, but the fact that it cannot be ruled out and he cannot be spared just for his long standing and high personality. This is what Honorable Supreme Court has said, that nobody can be spared if he has committed finance crime, which is the crime, since the crime is on the society, on the country, and they have looted the country, KD Singh has looted the country. Subrat Rai Sahara has looted the country. Therefore, my respected Prime Minister, I am of the strong view that the person like KD Singh, Subrat Rai Sahara and many 100 persons like that are Deshdrohi. They are the enemy of the country. और इनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का मुकदमा चलना चाहिए और इनको एक मिनट भी बाहर नहीं घूमना चाहिए। इनको और इनके सैकड़ों डायरेक्टर्स को, कर्मचारियों को, पत्नी को, बेटों को तत्काल जेल में डालना चाहिए और हमेशा हमेशा के लिए जेल में डालना चाहिए। और इस गरीब जनता का करोड़ों करोड़ों रुपया जो लूटा है उसको विद इंटरेस्ट, विद प्रॉपर कंपनसेशन दिलवाना चाहिए। और ये सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है। और सरकार का मुखिया होने के नाते मैं पूरा श्रद्धा के साथ और पूरे निवेदन के साथ कहूँगा कि ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। कृपया मेरे वीडियो को और मेरे पिटिशंस को थोड़ा सा समय दें और इस गरीब जनता के लिए कुछ कल्याणकारी कदम उठाएं। धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत प्रणाम, बारंबार चरण स्पर्श। मैं अजय टंडन, एडवोकेट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, अध्यक्ष, ईमानदार भारतीय पार्टी। धन्यवाद।